A lot of people who love the Gulf have a real visceral connection to it. There's a lot of communities like Grande Isle, and this is part of who they are.
I absolutely love Grande Isle, and I don't mind saying it that way. I can't imagine living elsewhere.
I was raised down here, and we fished all our life. We're surrounded by water. It ain't no big city. Whatever you want to do, you can do down here, you know.
There's a lot of investment in Grande Isle by private individuals like myself. My name's Clarence Dwyer. I've been welding for 50 years. And I really like the place. I like the people. I like the culture. And I don't know, it's just a different place. Because of coastal erosion, the island as we speak is getting smaller. And when a storm comes, it comes with a vengeance.
It's about 60-mile-an-hour winds, Danny.
There's nothing to stop. No more woods, no more islands, no more coast.
We're in a coastline that's subsiding, we're in a period of sea level rise, and we're losing coastal wetlands.
I've lived on Grande Isle for 50 years, and I've seen a loss of more than 50% of the marsh.
And it's really disheartening to me. You know, I want to be here. I want it to stay here, and I want to be able to collect the fruits of my labors. I don't want the storms to take it away or the Gulf to wash it away.
The Nature Conservancy has been working with different entities to create oyster reefs on the bay side of Grande Isle.
We're putting man-made structures in the water designed to be a substrate on which oyster larvae can attach and then grow and ultimately become an oyster reef. Because the reef has vertical structure, it can dampen wave energy so that the energy of the waves hitting the shoreline is less, and it slows down erosion. It was important, obviously, for restoration, but also because it was able to provide jobs to folks in the community here.
It felt great helping with the oyster reef restoration project because of the good that it does. The land is building up behind these things, and it's like it's going to give us 20 feet more land for a quarter of a mile. And that's pretty substantial when you live on a 7-mile island with 1,500 people.
Life is not just about new. You can't learn for the future without knowing where you came from. And I think that preserving the natural beauty of the island is that important to helping us remember who we are.
As long as we don't get like knocked down totally, I mean, as long as we could come back and have a place and we could rebuild it, we're going to be here for the long haul.